But I'm going to be up in Sonoma County and Sacramento area, and then I'm going to hit around the Sierras, and then I'm probably going to go up toward Lassen. I've never been up that way either. Too. Cattails, yes, out there. We are definitely entering the marsh. Excuse me for a moment. I am going to take this coat off and tie it around my waist. It turned out to be a beautiful day. Onward bound. That's I cannot take credit for saying that. Pandemonium. I want to do a shout out to Aja. Her channel is Pandemonium. Her and her dog Moo Moo. They're travelers too. They travel full time. She's very good at the videos, so I highly recommend watching her channel. I'm getting some energy from the surrounding trees. I can feel it. Feels really good. Oh, how far do I go on this to get to the boardwalk? Wow. Now, as a kid, I was roaming everywhere. When we lived in New York, as soon as I could walk, I was walking. And I toddled out of my backyard and other people's backyards because we didn't have fences other than the stone fence. And so every day I'd go and visit my neighbors. They had, some of them had some interesting things in their backyards, like deer statues and little gnomes and stuff. And I'd have to go visit those. And then others had kitty cats that I liked to visit. And I remember discovering robins' nests and all kinds of neat things. It was really cool. But that's when I started exploring. It was at the tender age of about 4. And my mother, she knew I was okay. She'd say, okay, stay within range of my voice. So she'd call me whenever she needed to, like for dinner or lunch. And I'd hear her go, Sylvia, and I might be almost a mile away. And I'd be like yelling back, oh, okay, I'm coming, I just remember that. That was so cool. And then I'd go roaming back home. Never had a problem. Not until we moved to Chicago. Then I had a problem with groups of people and dirty old men. Groups of kids, gangs of kids. You stay away from any group that was 3 kids or more. You stayed away from. Like if they were on one side of the street, you stayed on the other to avoid trouble. Yeah. Anyway, so we must be getting close to the boardwalk. It seems like I've been walking forever. There might be up ahead. Alligator Marsh Boardwalk. Okay, now we're going to go jog to the left here. Well, not jog, but turn to the left. I don't jog anymore. Oh, look at this. Some kind of weird pod on there. Ooh, pod people. What was that? Invasion of the Body Snatchers. All right. Oh, there it is. Let's go. We're off and running. Well, walking fast as I can. Look at the dragonflies. They're all about. I didn't spray myself. I hope there's not going to be an issue. Okay, so we got all kinds of ducks, mallards, of course, lesser scops, buffleheads, northern shovels, gadwall, wood duck, and blue-winged teal. Well, let's see if we see any ducks. Something's been laying in the grass here. Wow, look at this. Wow, see the beautiful flowers? Isn't that gorgeous? All right. Oh, look at these. Oh, this looks like ginger. I don't know if that is, or this plant right here looks like ginger. All right, oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Huh. Look at these funky flowers right in front of me. Wow, they're just getting bigger and bigger. I feel almost like, oh, wow, look at this. Oh, this is cool. Awesome. There's a bird. Oh, that's a red-winged blackbird. Let's see if we can get a good. There's one right ahead of me. Oh, he's beautiful. Hi there. Hi. Absolutely gorgeous. Hi there. You mind if I get closer? Hi. You're just gorgeous. You guys are not that common anymore, you know. I used to see you guys all the time. Oh. Out west, the blackbirds are disappearing because the oats, the wild oats land, the meadows are disappearing. Wow. Now you have star thistle everywhere. It's invaded, it's taken over from the oats, and that's what star thistle is not a wildlife productive plant. They don't eat it. It doesn't benefit anybody. There's one way over on the tree. I hear coots. It sounds like they're laughing. That's a coot. Is there anything down in the water here? I don't see anything. What about right there? There's a lot to look at. I better make sure you guys are still on. Hold on. Yep. Great. Alright, hold on while I adjust this. All of a sudden it seems to be getting heavier. This is really cool. I've always wanted to walk into like the Everglades. This is pretty darn close. Got somebody doing something over there, so let's go over here. Maybe we'll see some more gators. Wow. Oh, I see a frog, I think. I think I see some frogs. Or maybe they're tadpoles. Something's in the water. Wow. I see alligators. I see heads popping out. Alright. Definitely kind of creepy in here. I'm looking. I think I see some alligator heads way out there. Right out there in front of us. I think that's an alligator.